Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Ayan na naman yung pusa, di ba? Oh, rinig nyo ba? Kahapon nandyan na naman eh. Nandyan siya, ngayon nandito na naman. Oh, extra siya, no? So, all signs. Okay, so let's see. Ano bang meron? Pero syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay? So, let's start the reading agad-agad. So, again, kung meron mga interesado dyan about our mga items dito, message na lang po. Okay? So, bibilisan natin kasi baka abutan tayo ng brownout. Oo, dahil may brownout daw na mangyayari today for today's video. Okay, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong message for you? Air signs. Okay, you can check your sun, moon, rising. Okay, so Two of Pentacles in reversed. What's that? Three of Wands in reversed. Mayroon na ditong ito specific, I mean general, kung ano man yung mga hinihintay ninyo, like kung ano man, okay, in general, kung meron kang hinihintay pera, kung ano man, ang daming ano man. Ang sinasabi kasi rito, matatapos na. Matatapos na. Yeah, the Emperor. I think si Universe meron ding ibibigay something na maganda, something big. Kung ano man yun, I don't know. Let's see. Ano tong Two of Pentacles na naka-reversed? Kung patungkol sa kaperahan at may hinihintay nga kayong pera, pwedeng ibibigay, may i-release. Parang ganon. Yeah, pera. Four of Pentacles. Makakapag-ipon na yung iba dito. Yeah, this is talking about money. Pwedeng ito ay na-pending nga before. Okay? So, malapit na yung energy pagdating sa inyo. Malapit na yung energy nitong na-read natin na to sa energy nyo. So, meaning, may chance na dumating na. Or pwedeng mamaya. Kasi nakuha natin eh. Okay? Hindi ka na para maghintay. Like that. Some of you're like letting go of an earth sign. Okay. What else? Page of Cups in reversed. What's that? The Nine of Swords in reversed. Somebody is, sabihin natin, playing it cool. Playing cool? May crush sa'yo. Oh, mga ganyang bagay-bagay. Okay? Like, low-key. I don't know kung anong meron yan. May crush sa'yo tong taong to. Age gap, meron. Another page. Yeah, this is crush. I don't know who. Pwedeng may age gap sa inyong dalawa ng taong to. Hindi sila nagpapakita or nagpapahalatang may gusto sa'yo. Okay. That's with this Nine of Swords in reversed. The Fool. Hindi sila nagpapahalata talaga. The Emperor. See? Kanina Empress. Tapos ngayon Emperor. Pero nakabaliktad tong Emperor. Meaning, sabihin natin, they're into you. Pero, some of them may ego, pride. Kaya kailangan niyang itago. Okay? Ayaw niya na masasaktan if ever, or ma-judge, or kung ano man. Takot siya sa ganun. Kaya ganyan siya. Hindi niya pinapahayag, hindi niya sinasabi, hindi siya nagiging like vulnerable or transparent. What else for you, air signs? Nine of Wands. Justice in reversed. Okay. Somebody na hindi mo kailangan pagkatiwalaan. Chariot. Lalo na patungkol sa sasakyan mo. Okay? Kung ano man in general, yung pwedeng meron kang itinatakbo, meron kang pinapaprocess, wag mong parang ipapagawa na lang sa iba. Like that. Or ipagkakatiwala na lang sa iba. Okay, the Tower is here. Avoid nyo munang kunyari ipagkatiwala, no, yung mga gagawin nyo ngayon sa ibang tao. Ipapalakad mo to kay ganito, ipapabili mo yung ganito kay ganito. I don't know why. So expect kung ano man yung hindi mo ine-expect. Okay, kaya ganun. Kung ano man yung mga kailangan mong gawin, wag mong ipapagawa sa iba. That's general. Okay po. So there. So yun lang. Kung ikaw sabihin nating okay, may papagawa akong sasakyan ngayon, hindi naman ako marunong gumawa ng sasakyan ko. So kailangan ko talaga ipagawa. Parang ganoon, no? May ganun akong narinig. Wag kang aalis habang ginagawa yung sasakyan mo. Titingnan mo. Okay? Like that. So there. Okay, so next, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, oops. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. What's for you? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The Star in reversed. Eight of Wands in reversed. Somebody is, sabihin nating, throwing you evil eye. May mga taong ayaw kang uusad. May mga taong gusto lang makita kang hindi okay. Yeah. Maybe, iba sa inyo, ikaw itong mahilig kang mag-post, no? Mahilig kang gumawa ng mga bagay like bago, mga ganyan. May mga taong hindi nagugustuhan yun. Hindi ko sinabing itigil mo. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is protektahan ang energy mo. Okay? Kasi parang feeling nila left out sila. Feeling nila nagyayabang ka. Mga ganong bagay. They're too negative. Yeah. See? The Six of Pentacles in reverse. Yung iba pa sa kanila, madalas natutulungan mo. So, what else for you, fire signs? I'm hearing decluttering. Or pagtatanggal ng ibang gamit sa bahay na hindi na kailangan. So, Two of Cups. What's with that? The Page of Pentacles. Ooh. May papunta or may uusbong na magandang samahan dito. Okay? I don't know kung bakit hindi pa nadating. The Page of Pentacles is here. Anong meron sa Page of Pentacles? Meron ditong parang nasasabotahe or parang nadidelay. Anong meron dito sa Page of Pentacles in reversed? Oh, Justice in reversed. Diba sa inyo, if you're in a connection already, meron daw dito, ito napaka-specific, hindi raw uusad yung situation ninyo, lalo na kung may third party involved. Napaka-general nun. Okay? Somebody will reject a person, an offer kasi hindi sila ready. Meron ditong hindi makapag-offer ng marriage kasi hindi sila ready. Or hindi sila capable, hindi sila capable. Okay? Sana walang third parties involved. So, what else? Fire signs. So, mabilisan lang na reading. The Knight of Cups in reversed. The Five of Swords. Somebody's throwing you mixed signals. They're giving you mixed signals. Why? Maybe somebody is too focused on their career, on their work, business, if ever. Why? Why the Knight of Cups in reversed? Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. Some of them, kung sino man tong nagbibigay ng mixed signal sa'yo, fire signs, may chance na nahahati yung parang tawag dito, attention nito. Okay? Maybe they have options. Okay, they have options. Another knight. Ace of Wands. They don't know kung anong gusto nila sa buhay nila. Marami silang gusto. Kaya sila ganyan. Hot and cold. Inconsistent. Okay? So, kung meron siyang hindi makuha sa'yo, lilipat sa iba. Kung hindi nakakuha ng maganda or something na gusto doon sa kung saan man siya naroon at naisip niyang ikaw, kaya mong ibigay, kaya mong ibigay yung gusto niya, sa'yo naman ulit yan pupunta, like that. Okay? So, there's this someone who is so inconsistent pagdating sa'yo. They're throwing you mixed signals because, yes, they have options. Okay? So, there. Next. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Water signs. Anong meron? Eight of Wands in reversed. Messages. Blocking. Messages na hindi nababasa. In general, this is like blocked. The Four of Cups in reverse. Oh, there's this fire sign or water sign na hindi pa rin makamove on or hindi niya alam kung paano i-let go yung isang bagay. Isang situation, maybe. Yeah, the Knight of Cups. Kung may nangyaring separation, yeah, the world or ending recently, then, yeah, here they come. Here they come again. Wanting na magkaroon uli ng another chance with you. They can't go on with their life without you. Kung ano man to, kung sino man to. Hindi nila kayang wala ka. What else? The Three of Wands. I'm getting an energy of travel here. Merong uuwi, biglaan. What's with this Three of Wands? Yeah, the Five of Pentacles. Somebody's waiting. In vain. Okay, in vain. They want commitments, but they can't give you commitments. Oh my. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles in reverse. Gusto nila makasama ka. They're craving for you, they're longing for you, pero they can't be with you. Like that. Ang hirap nito, ano to? Some of you kasi may chance na may third party involved dito because of the Three of Wands. May naghihintay ng isang decision dito. May naghihintay ng isang separation dito. Yeah, they're sad. See? The sun. Kung sino man tong naghihintay na to, maybe you. Okay? Kahit nandiyan yung sabihin nating unsure, uncertainty, mga ganyang bagay. Pagpapatuloy ko to. Ano man yun, yeah. You're obsessing over someone. You're obsessing over someone. Fire sign, water or Capricorn, the devil. Yeah, the Eight of Swords Universe. May nangyaring hiwalayan talaga dito. Meron ditong hindi kinakaya yung situation ngayon. They're in pain. Okay? So what else? Leo, fire, earth. Queen of Cups inversed. May nagmamahal sa'yo, water sign, na sabihin natin kahit umaayaw na or inayawan mo na, umaasa pa rin. Okay? Minamahal ka nito ng sabihin natin kahit nasa malayo na siya. Mga ganong bagay. Yeah, the Five of Cups inverse. Some of you, kailangan mo na magsimulang mag-move on and focus sa sarili. Need mo nang may mga i-drop dito. Something na hindi na nag-work out and start new with a clean, fresh slate. Okay? You need to have this decision. Okay? Na talagang kailangan mo ng aksyonan. Okay. The Hangman, yeah. So, eventually, iba sa inyo, makaka-realize na mga kung ano-anong bagay na pwedeng makapagbigay na ng isang dahilan para makamove on ka. Okay? Pwedeng may ipapaalam sa'yo si universe, may mga signs na ibibigay si universe sa'yo. Okay? Huwag mo lang hayaan na parang sarado yung mata at isip mo, tenga mo sa mga ipapakita sa'yo ni universe. Okay? So, there. So, ganun lang kay Clay muna. Dahil habol natin ang oras at magba-brown out nga. Okay, Earth signs. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's see what's for you. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There is a water sign who is thinking of you, waiting for you, longing for you. They're sad. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The Eight of Pentacles inversed. What's that? The Page of Pentacles. May mga magsisimulang sumubok ng bago pagdating sa kaperahan. Okay, yeah, bago. See? The Fool. Okay, may mga matutuklasang bagong hobby. Okay? Yan. May mga babaguhin sa routine. Yeah. Patungkol sa pera, 'di ba? Your favorite. I-reviewin niyo yung buong signs. Hindi nalabas to sa'yo lang talaga. Oo. Eto Earth signs. Kung ano man tong sisimulang mong bago, ang nakikita ko pa this is too good to be true. Pero yes, kahit hindi mo raw masyadong gawan ng effort, andoon yung malaking kita. I don't know kung paano. Kahit hindi ka masyadong magbigay or maglagay ng effort dito, basta simulan mo, yes, andun yung boom. Okay? See? May bibili sa'yo, may kukuha sa'yo, something like that. Customers, clients, okay? Projects, mga ganyang bagay. In general, I think this is talking about increase. Your money is going up. Earth signs, going up. Okay? Going okay. So, what else for you, Earth signs? Sarap no, mga ganun. pabanjing-banjing ka lang. Anyway, hindi naman to lalabas ng wala lang. Okay, Ace of Wands in reversed. The Knight of Cups. Oh, I'm seeing here a one-night stand with a water sign. Okay. Yeah. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Meron ditong parang nangihinayang sa'yo, earth sign. Fire, water, earth. Diba, lumabas pa oh. Yung favorite mo rin na isa, si Ace of Pentacles. Ang daming energy nakapaligid sa'yo, pero bakit mga nire-reject? Ano tong Ace of Wands in reversed? Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Meron ditong water sign na parang humihigit pa rin sa'yo pababa. Okay? Kung ano man to, I think nangyari to like recent lang. A failed start or a false start na nangyari before. Yeah, see? They're weighing you down. Itong taong to, nandun yung love niya sa'yo, pero feeling niya binetray mo siya. Something like that. So, kung ano man yung ibinabato niya, I don't know if this is anger, kung ano man, na energy, it's not giving you good frequency. So, may chance na pwedeng na-evil eye ka ng taong to. Okay? Yeah. They're sad. They want you kasi. I don't know who. Kung sino to. A younger water sign maybe. Okay? So, what else? For water, I don't know. For earth signs. The Hanged Man. Two of Wands. Waiting. Pisces. Fire sign. Water, fire. Is waiting for you. They're waiting for you. May iba sa inyo may chance na magkakaroon ng situation na parang may pagdadalawang isipan ka. Decision, kailangan. Oh, the King of Cups. Tungkol sa taong pwedeng magbibigay ng love offer. Oh my God. Earth signs. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng may mga taong umaasa na sana magkaroon kayo ng connection, like romantic connection. Pero nandiyan yung makikipag-connect ba ako o magstay single ako para kumita pa na maganda. I love this. Oo, mas gusto ko to. Nine of Pentacles. This is having prosperity, mga ganyan, abundance, mga ganyan. Okay? I can't. Inaagyaw na yung part sa puso mo pagdating sa love. Inaagyaw na siya. Ha? Okay? There's this person who's waiting for you. In love. Sa'yo. Okay? King of Cups. Who's this? The Nine of Pentacles. Again. I think itong taong to hindi lang din naman love yung kaya niyang i-offer for you. There's more. Yeah, there's more. Okay? So, yeah. Some of you, there's this energy na pwedeng nakakasama mo to sa workplace or sa isang environment like that. Anyway, so there's this offer. Maybe, may chance na mayroon akong nakikita ditong may magbibigay ng gift sa'yo. Like that. Okay? So there. Yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.